Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Bharat and you're watching Swag Tech, and today we're gonna talk about the best gaming mouse according to me in the budget segment, that is around 2000 to 3000 rupees. I will talk about many aspects such as build quality, features, performance and many more things. So if you are interested in technology, PC related content and gaming, you can subscribe to my channel because I make this kind of content regularly and I also live stream occasionally. So if you want to play with me, you can join my Discord server and I'll provide the link in the description. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Design. The Logitech G402 is a very good mouse and is designed specifically for FPS games. Its build quality is very solid and feels premium to touch. The mouse is designed for right-handed palm or claw grip. You also get a thumb rest that makes it easier to hold for longer durations. It has 8 reprogrammable buttons that you can configure using the Logitech G Hub software. Okay, the mouse has a matte black finish on top and some glossy accents in between. It also features an LED logo of Logitech that has 2 lighting modes that we will talk about later in this video. The mouse weighs around 108 grams without the cable, and which might be a bit heavy for some in the beginning, but you can get used to it very soon. And yes, there is no weight optimization like the G502, so you cannot change it. The cable length is around 2.1 meters and that is more than enough for maximum users. Now let's talk about the specifications. The G402 consists of an optical LED sensor and a 32-bit ARM processor featuring Logitech Delta Zero technology, combining with their Fusion Engine hybrid sensor, which enables it to reach tracking speeds as high as 500 inches per second. The mouse has ridiculous tracking because of accelerometer and gyroscope, and the mouse acceleration is also non-existent, and that is a plus point too. And let me tell you about the tracking. I have played many games and I have been using this mouse for 2 months, and trust me, it is of next level. The mouse has a 1 millisecond report rate so that you don't have to worry about any troublesome lag and you can be confident in your movements. Minimum DPI. The mouse has a minimum DPI of 240 and a max of 4000. The max polling rate is 1000 Hz and you can change it in the Logitech G Hub software. Like, you can decrease it, but the maximum is 1000 Hz. The scroll wheel on this mouse is 24 steps and does not feature any tilt. The mouse has 8 programmable buttons which you can customize to fit your style of gameplay using the Logitech G Hub software. The buttons are mechanical and provide good feedback while playing games. If you have seen this video till here, I know it is somewhat helpful to you. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on Instagram. I post really cool stuff there, and you can join me on my Discord server to ask your queries directly or play games with me and become a part of our family. Logitech G Hub software. Now talking about the Logitech G Hub software, you can download it very easily from the Logitech's website. You just have to click download for Windows 10 and it will download itself and you have to install it. That's a very easy process. Now let's get further. Now this Logitech G Hub software has detected my mouse, that is the G402. We will click on this and there are 3 main options: sensitivity, assignments and light sync. We will talk about them in the order. Like, you can choose the profiles for the sensitivities. Like, if you are normally browsing the desktop or doing some kind of work, you can set DPIs or macro keys for each of them. For a game, like I play games like Apex, I've chosen another DPI, and Call of Duty. So you can work around with it, and if you want the same DPI all over, you just have to click this button and you will get the same DPI all over. Okay, now the bar underneath the DPI speeds states that this is the current DPI, and the yellow marker says that the DPI shift button is currently on 400. For example, if I choose 1600 DPI, or you can also change the DPI with the mouse buttons. Okay, like for example, I am on 1600 DPI and now I want to switch to 400 DPI instantly. So what I will do is, I press the DPI shift button and you see instantly the speed drops to 400, and when I will release the button again, it goes to 1600. So that is what is DPI shift. Now you can change the polling rate also, like report rate from here. I have switched it to 1000 because that's what you need to do if you game, or anything else also you keep it on 1000, no worries. Okay, the next option is commands or assignments. It is also the same. You can assign the keys for specific programs, or you can lock it and it will work the same way all over. Now let's talk about the second option, assignments. There are many options to choose from. You can choose a command or any key or certain type of actions that you can apply on the mouse and you can reassign it. For example, if you use Discord so much and you need to mute yourself continuously, so like I have done it, you just drag this command onto the key and you can assign it any command. Like you can also use deafen or mute. I personally use mute a lot because when I do live streams I have to read the chat. You can assign macros and like assign system tasks. It's very easy. You just have to drag the command onto the mouse on the mouse key. Okay, the third option is light sync. So you only have two lighting effects. The one is fixed. You can choose the color and the shade of the tint, shade of blue, and the other one is breathing. You can control the rate at which it flickers. So I personally like it at 3500. It looks good. You can place it wherever you can place it wherever you want. So that is it for the Logitech G Hub software. Let's proceed further. I mean, yes, if you're a hardcore gamer, then you should invest your money on a good gaming mouse, because in the long run it will help you develop your muscle memory. There are 5 major differences between a normal mouse and a gaming mouse. The gaming mouse has more buttons. It has a better sensor that helps in flick shots and improves tracking. It has a very low response rate, higher polling rates that helps in very fast movements. And the gaming mouse is comfortable, and yes, you can play games like for more than 3 or 4 hours and your hand will not pain. And the gaming mouses also have adjustable DPIs that you can change on the go. If you are playing with the AI, you can have a high DPI, and when you switch to sniper you can decrease your DPI, or vice versa that you like. So these features would be very useful to you in the long run, that you would notice in a few weeks of shifting to a gaming mouse. And trust me, it improves your gameplay like a lot. Like if you are in a good setup and you are with an average mouse, I would suggest you to buy a gaming mouse. That will help you a lot. Cons. There are not any deal-breaking cons of this mouse. The only thing I can point out right now is the cable is not braided and the mouse only has a blue lighting effect. Nevertheless, it looks premium and you can get away with that pretty easily. So, final verdict. The mouse has a 2-year warranty and comes under the price tag of 2000 to 2500 rupees. And in my opinion, this is the best gaming mouse at this price range, and you should buy it without any second thoughts. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and ask any of your queries down below in the comment section. Till then, goodbye, take care.